To delete a row in Excel, start by selecting the entire row you want to delete. You can do this by clicking on the row number on the left-hand side of the spreadsheet, which will highlight the entire row. Once you've selected the row, right-click on the row number and choose Delete from the context menu. You can also go to the Home tab in the ribbon at the top of the screen. Click on the Delete button in the Cells group, and select Delete Rows from the drop-down menu. Excel will then delete the entire row, including any data, formatting, or formulas contained within it. If you accidentally delete the wrong row, don't worry. You can use the Undo button or the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to restore the deleted data. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a row in Excel. Remember to double-check your spreadsheet before deleting any data to make sure you don't accidentally remove important information. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to check out the free playlist in the description below to learn more about Excel. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks.